If you could design your own e-bike, how would you do it? Would it be classy, sexy? Or perhaps a bold new design that's elegant yet functional? Wonder no more. Introducing Reevo, the Hubless e-bike. You'll be turning heads with Reevo's amazingly unique design. The patent-pending Hubless wheels are crafted from aerospace-grade alloys and engineered for maximum durability. Reevo also rides and handles exceptionally well, thanks to a strong, lightweight core. Feel the need for speed? Simply rev the throttle and watch the world slow down. Reevo's powerful electric drivetrain will get you around in no time. Or, if you prefer, use the incredibly clever pedal assist that adapts to road gradient and provides you with a gentle boost that feels so natural. Ever feel anxious about leaving your bike alone? We feel you. Simply use your fingerprint to lock the bike. A strong wheel lock deploys automatically, out of reach from bolt cutters. No more carrying bulky chains around. An intelligent motion detector activates when the bike is parked. It sounds an alarm and notifies you when someone tries to move your Reevo. But we didn't stop there. An integrated GPS also anchors the bike to its parking spot and lets you track its location in real time. Your Reevo is yours and yours alone. The interplay between light and shadow is a key pillar of our design philosophy. Our designers worked hard to make Reevo a piece of art that looks as amazing at night as it does during the day. And we've also equipped Reevo with the technology to get you around safely at night, with automatic LED headlamps, integrated brake lights and blinking turn signals. So, commute in style with Reevo, the Hubless e-bike that's wonderfully engineered to make every ride exceptional. It's time to upgrade your ride. Reevo is now ready for mass production. We need your help to achieve our minimum order quantities and deliver Reevo into your hands. This is everything you need in an e-bike. This is 5 years of development, hard work and love in a single elegant package that we're proud to introduce to you today. This is Reevo.